Welcome to AMD CloudX YouTube channel. Today I'm going to install Power BI Desktop in my laptop. For that I'm going to download the file from the Microsoft link. This is the link where you can download the file. Since I already downloaded the file, I'm going to install it. Click the setup file to install the Power BI Desktop versions. Click next to install. Click next to install. Accept the license and click next. I'm going to keep the default installation path. If you want to change, you can click change and then change your path. Click next. I'm going to keep the default settings. Going to install the versions. Click install. Installation completed. Thanks for watching.